Okay, I'm going to show you how to get this PVC pipe and flatten it like these boards we have here. They've all been done. They're thick boards also, and we'll show you how it's done. So this is what we're using. You can see the heat guns in this tin and it fits on there, and this is the base. This is to keep it all stable. And to have a longer base of PVC, we've got a connection to make it a little bit longer, so you can put longer PVC pipes in. We will now start off with cutting what length we need. So just set it up a little bit. So now that you've got it cut, you've got to mark long ways, and this is how we do it. You get a Sharpie, you get a straight edge. We're using this against the table, and all you do is mark it like this, and there's your marks. So now here we've put in the vise. I'll speed it up a little bit, and you can see the vise is holding, and you just need a handsaw. Will do the job quite easily. Now I've cut right through, and you can see a nice straight cut like that. Now we're ready to heat the pipe. So now we're ready to flatten the pipe. I've preheated this for about 5 minutes, so it's already warm. You put the PVC pipe in, then put it on like that, turn it on, and as you can see, these are the cotton gloves I was talking about. They're quite good handling the hot PVC. I'll just speed it up a little bit now. So we're just about done. I'll take the heat gun off and take the PVC pipe out, which is now soft and pliable. As you can see, you can lay it down like a blanket, and you put a board on it. I stand on about 40 seconds, went off. I left it for about 10 minutes by itself. It just came back, and it's should be okay. I'll just lift it up, and this is the end result. Nice flat board, and that's exactly how it's done. So if there's any questions relating to this, please ask in the comments below, and I'll attempt to answer any questions you have. And well, I suppose that's about it.